We know that exponential of iota theta is equal to, what is that? Cos theta plus iota sin theta. Exponential of minus iota theta will be cos theta minus iota sin theta. Okay. If I say this is 1 and this is 2, 1 plus 2. If we add 1 to equation, okay, then cos theta will be equal to iota theta plus minus iota theta divided by 2, because this will be this will be 2 and that will be, this will be a cos theta. What will be the, if we from 1, if we subtract 2, okay, if 2 is subtracted, then that will be a 2 iota sin theta, okay, mean sin theta will be equal to exponential of minus iota, exponential of iota theta minus exponential of minus iota theta divided by 2 iota. So this will be your x1, this will be x2, this will be expression for sin theta. Okay. For hyperbolic theta, yes, this will be, if these are the real, okay, this is cos theta, this will be equal to this, and this will be a sine, okay. If they are real, okay, then that will be treated as a hyperbolic function. Okay, yes. For example, cos theta, sin theta. If we take cos iota theta, means if angle is not theta but iota theta, okay, then what will be happen? Yes. Yes. When iota will be multiplied, this will be become a minus, iota square equal to minus 1, and this will become a plus 1. Iota square equal. So this plus will become a minus, and minus will be, so this will be exponential of iota theta. It will come first, okay, and this will be theta minus theta divided by 2. So if instead of iota theta there is a theta, not real number but is imaginary number. Here is, they are exponential of imaginary angle, and here angle is real. Okay, then that will be a hyperbolic. This will be a cos hyperbolic theta. Okay. Okay, minus 1 plus 1. I may shift it. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This will be a y1. Oh, sorry. Or you may say that x3. Okay. Sine iota theta. Yes. Minus will become common because now here is a minus. 2 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 2. So that will be, so you are right here, theta minus theta divided by, yes, 2 iota, yes, because here is 2 iota. 1 minute. And this will be equal to, this is equal to sine, this is equal to iota sine hyperbolic theta. Okay. Okay. 1 minute. Iota will come minus iota e theta, minus 1 by iota is equal to minus iota. So this minus will be cancelled. So this become a iota minus theta divided by 2. Okay, so iota sine hyperbolic theta is equal to iota e theta iota इधर आने. Okay. Yes. This iota will be cancelled with this, and sine hyperbolic theta will be equal to e theta e minus theta divided by 2. Okay. So this will be sine hyperbolic theta. Okay. So always remember that sine iota theta is iota sine hyperbolic theta. Cos iota theta is iota cos hyperbolic theta. Or not, sorry, but cos will be without iota. That will be this. Okay. Got it? D sine hyperbolic theta with respect to theta will be cos hyperbolic theta, and d over d theta cos hyperbolic theta will be equal to sine hyperbolic theta. And you know that d over sine theta, d theta will be cos theta, and d cos theta over d theta will be minus sine theta. Okay, so these will be the important formula regarding hyperbolic trigonometric functions. Okay.